Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now, as Nigeria braces itself for the elections tomorrow, silly season has gone into overdrive and fake news abounds. Kingsley Moghalu, the presidential candidate for YPP, the Young Progressive Party, has felt the need to come out and make a public statement to debunk the rumor that he is stepping down for Abubakar Atiku and Muhammadu Buhari. So he says, our attention has been drawn to another fake news on social media that Moghalu has endorsed President Muhammadu Buhari. Nigerians should disregard this deliberate falsehood, the statement reads. He added, similar fake news was being circulated from the camp of the PDP yesterday, which we have also debunked. These are the tokens of the so-called two major parties who understand that they are heading to a humiliating defeat in tomorrow's elections. For the avoidance of doubt, the presidential candidate of the Young Progressive Party, YPP, Professor Kingsley Moghalu, has not stepped down for any candidate in the 2019 elections. He is not considering doing so either. He is certain that he will win the presidential election fair and square because Nigerians are tired of the visionless APC and PDP. He, therefore, urges the millions of his supporters around the country and Nigerians in general to disregard the shameless antics of the political dinosaurs of the APC and the PDP, who would be sent into permanent retirement with his victory. So this is what Kingsley Moghalu has to say about the rumors circulating that he has stepped down for Atiku and Buhari. And by the way, that rumor in itself is not a properly thought out rumor, because you cannot say that he stepped down for Atiku and Buhari. So he's either stepping down for Atiku or Buhari, because him stepping down for a candidate would then mean that he's going to align and rally his support behind that particular candidate that he is stepping down for. So stepping down for Buhari and Atiku would make no sense. So whoever came up with that rumor probably needs to be tested, because they don't have full function. So that is Kingsley Moghalu debunking fake news, and there will be more and more of this fake news circulating really between now and the start of voting tomorrow. So you'd hear all sorts of weird and wonderful news about goings on in the Nigerian polity. So disregard all these rumors. So the decisions that you've made on who you are intending to vote for is the decisions that you should stand firm with, and go ahead and act on those decisions when you go cast your ballot. So good luck for tomorrow. May the best man win, and hopefully and the best man will be anybody other than Buhari. So the first course of action is to have Buhari out of Aso Rock, and then the next course of action is to have the best person for Nigeria there. So good luck to our country. Go cast your vote. So I'll leave you here, and let's talk fake news in the comment section, where I'll meet you and I'll say peace. I don't know why I'm stumbling over my words.